Hello, welcome back. A short video for you today showcasing where the magic happens. We want to extend a huge thank you to all our subscribers and to everyone who watches our videos. Thank you to the Creative Collector for your help. We use a range of paints from Monument Hobbies to AK Interactive, Vallejo, Games Workshop, Tamiya and Army Painter. Thank you to Greedy 3D for your help and tips. A sneak peek at what's coming next. This is just a small glimpse of the models that have been completed. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe and comment.